In this module, we're going to dive into how you can keep the air in your home fresh and healthy for your whole family. So we're going to start with ventilation and filtration tips, showing you how opening windows, using exhaust fans, using HEPA filters all can improve the indoor air quality. And then next, we'll cover some practical ways to enhance the air that you're breathing, which include cleaning tips, safer product choices, houseplants, how to manage pet-related allergens, and how to use gas stoves and furnaces more safely. Humidity also plays a significant role in indoor air quality. So in this section, we'll explain how to manage your indoor humidity levels and why it's so important to fix water leaks quickly. We'll also discuss how to test for and prevent dangerous gases like radon, carbon monoxide, and VOCs, or volatile organic compounds. Now, mold can be a significant indoor air quality issue as well. So in this lesson, we'll go over strategies for preventing mold growth by controlling moisture levels and quickly fixing leaks. And you'll also learn how to tackle small areas of mold, and also when it's important to seek professional help. Ensuring healthy indoor air quality is vital for your well-being. So let's get started on some of these strategies. In the first lesson, we'll explain how to ensure that your home is well ventilated, and also how to pick out a good air filter.